Okay, just listen. What do you hear? If you hear anything, it's the wind rustling through the trees and a couple of bugs making noise. When I tell you this is serene, why would I ever want to go back to the concrete jungle? Here is life around you abundantly every day, right? The goats that are free range, the chickens that are free range, the cows that are free range. They represent life. At home, you don't see that. At home, you see too many cars, too many people, too many overbuilding. Everything is nice, certain areas are way cleaner than others, but it's like that. And so some people would probably look at this and be like, oh no. But I find life, this place is teeming with life. From the ground and the soil that you walk in, or this looks like sand, to the birds in the sky. My heart is so full with what the Most High has allowed me to see. This, you hear the bird? This is heaven on earth.